Welcome back to my channel. We have started cleaning the land. The grass is starting. We have started cutting the grasses. After we cut the grass throughout, we will plug this soil to make it softer, and we will plant trees, shrubs, and grasses which goat relish to eat. Feeding is a very important part in goat farming. Hence, and most of the amount which is spent on goat rearing is on feed. So feed, what we do give to the goats for the dietary consumption should be self grown. Otherwise, goat farming is not profitable. We have cut the grasses over here. Okay, we will pluck it in a day or two after the grass cutting of the grasses is completed, and later on we will sow